Jeff Anclam with Waterstone Mortgage, home of the Path to Buy homeownership coaching program. Are you considering purchasing a home but haven't been able to move forward? You know you need more space. You don't like seeing rent checks thrown out the window month after month, year after year, with nothing to show for it. You'd like to start a family, have a yard for children or pets. You need your space to come home to, your home to reflect your personality. So what's holding you back? I know when I was looking into purchasing my first home, I had a couple questions I needed to resolve before I was comfortable moving forward. I know how you feel. Some of our customers have felt the same way. That's why we've been certified in the Path to Buy homeownership coaching program. We've found there are 7.5 reasons potential homebuyers are on the sidelines. Job security. Are you a tenured professor at the local university with nothing to worry about? Or are you 60 days into a 90-day probationary period on your new job? Obviously, it'll make a difference. Down payment and reserves. How much money do you need for a down payment? Are there still zero down programs? 3.5%? 5% down? Where can the money come from for your down payment? We have answers to these questions as well. Credit scores. What's the lowest credit score needed to qualify for a mortgage? And what's the lowest credit score to get the best interest rate available? What can you do if your credit scores aren't where you'd like them to be? We can help with these answers as well. Debt to income ratio guidelines. How much debt can you carry and still qualify for a home loan? Debt to income ratio comfort zone. How much home can you qualify for and how much home payment are you comfortable with? How much payment matches up to how much house? We can sit down, go through the math, and help make sure you're in your comfort zone. Misinformation. There was a woman on Good Morning America last summer who announced, a so-called expert that announced, you need 20% down and pristine credit to qualify for a home loan. Now, let's be on the same page. Good Morning America isn't the National Enquirer. When someone gets up on national TV, the average person looks at it like it's right up there with Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. This woman, a so-called expert, misinformed every single person that was listening to her. Sit down with us. We can help you sort the facts from the fiction. Mobility, liquidity. Is this a long-term situation where you're going to set down roots? Are you an interim housing situation? We can help you with the proper financing for the right situation to help you meet your goals. And the last piece of the puzzle is waiting for the bottom. There's a lot of negative information that you see on national TV nowadays, talking about home values going down. Are they talking about California, Nevada, Arizona, or Florida, some of the toughest markets in the United States, because that's the kind of news that sells? Or are they talking about the Fox Valley and our very local real estate market? We can help put you in touch with a real estate professional to help sort your answers out for you in our local economy. In conclusion, it's okay to be on the sidelines for 5 months to 5 years. It's not okay not to have a plan. Give us a call at 920-750-5000 or go to www.pathtobuyfoxvalley.com and we'll send you a video with the 7.5 reasons and the solutions to those problems. Thank you.